everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I'm going to show you how we are going to make these beautiful crochet appliques. It is really very beautiful and the pattern is very easy. You can sew up these on bags, hats, garments, cardigans, blankets, anything you can imagine. You can also make beautiful buckles using these carrot applique. You can put them together and you can connect them with a rope and you can make a beautiful garland. That depends on you. Anything you can imagine, you can make it. I really love this project. Okay, dear friends, let's go on how to make this. Meanwhile, please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell. Please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much. Let's go on how to make this. For this project, we need two colors. Orange color for the main part of the carrot, this one, and green color for the leaves. We need 3mm hook. We need a scissors to cut the yarn, and we need a darning needle. We are starting by making a slip knot. I'm taking my hook in my hand. I am pulling. Now I have a slip knot. Upon this, I am making 12 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Like this. Now, I'm skipping 2 chains. This is chain 1, this is chain 2, and I'm inserting my hook in chain 3, making yarn over, inserting my hook here, and making 3 double crochet in this chain. This is double crochet 1, inserting my hook in the same chain. This is double crochet 2, and this is double crochet 3. Like this. Now we are going to make a double crochet one by one in each following 4 chains. I am making yarn over firstly. This is the following chain stitch. I'm inserting my hook in there and I am making a double crochet. Yarn over. I'm going to the following chain. Going to the second double crochet, yarn over. This is the third one. Making another double crochet in there, and this is the 4th chain. I am making the 4th double crochet like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet we made by inserting our hook in each following chains. Now we are going to make 2 half double crochet in each following 2 chain stitches. I'm making yarn over, going to the following stitch, making a half double crochet in there, yarn over. I'm going to the following stitch, making another half double crochet in there, now we are making 2 single stitches one by one, inserting my hook in there, like this, going to the following stitch, making another single stitch in there, now I am making a slip stitch in the following stitch like this, I'm making another slip stitch in the same stitch, like this. Now we are at the other side. Now one by one we are going to make what we did at this side. I mean, we are going to make 2 single stitches one by one in these following stitches. One moment, like this, making a single stitch, going to the following stitch, making another single stitch. I am going to the other stitch, making a half double crochet, yarn over, going to the following stitch, making the second half double crochet, and now we are going to make 4 double crochet. One, two, three, and this is the 4. It's been like this, and there is only 1 stitch left here. You know, in this row we made 3 double crochet in this stitch. We are going to make the same. I'm making yarn over, inserting my hook in there. I'm making 3 double crochet. This is 1 double crochet, this is second double crochet, and this is the 3rd double crochet. We made the same stitches, whatever we did here we made at the opposite side, and the main part is nearly finished like this. Now I am inserting my hook at top here, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch. After joining with a slip stitch, now I am making 1 chain. I am going to the following stitch, like this, making a single stitch, making another single stitch, going to the following stitch, making 2 single stitch also, going to the following stitch, making 2 more single stitch, like this. From now on we are going to make single stitches one by one till this corner. We are at top here, corner top. I am going to make 2 single stitch in there, inserting my hook again in the same place, making another single stitch. Now I am at the other side. I will go on making single crochet one by one till here. There will only 3 stitches left, like this. 1, 2, 3. Here you can make a stitch marker if you do not want to miss it. 1, 2, 3. Till here we are going to make single stitches one by one. I'm now here. I'm taking this stitch marker out. From now on we are going to make 2 single stitches in each chain. This is 1, this is 2. I'm going to the following. I'm making 2 more single stitch. This is 1, this is 2, going to the third one and making 2 more like this. Now I am inserting my hook at top of the first single stitch, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch, making 1 chain. We are finished with orange color. For this reason I am cutting the yarn like this. Now I am going to hide these yarn ends with the help of the darning needle. Now I am cutting the rest. I am hiding the other yarn end in the same way. I've hidden the other yarn end. It's been like this. This is the back side, this is the front side. Now we are going to make these leaves. I'm taking my green color in my hand. For the leaves we are going to use these 1, 2, 3 stitch. I am inserting my hook here. First of all, I am fixing the green yarn. One moment, like this. Now I am making 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over. I am inserting my hook in this stitch, making a double crochet. I'm making 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, inserting my hook in the same stitch and making a slip stitch. One petal is finished. We are going to make 2 more petals. For this reason, firstly, I am making 1, 2, 3 chains. I'm inserting my hook in this stitch. First of all, making a double crochet, making 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, inserting our hook in the same stitch, making a slip stitch. Now I am making 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to the following stitch, making a double crochet in there and making 1, 2, 3 chains, inserting our hook in the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch, making 1 chain. I am cutting the yarn. I'm going to hide this yarn end with the help of the darning needle in the same way I hidden for the carrot. It is now completely finished. It is like this. It is really beautiful. Okay, dear friends, we came to the end of another project video. Hope you like this project. I will go on sharing this kind of video tutorials. Please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and if you like this video, please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos in order to support me for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much, dear friends. See you in the coming videos.